Wait, Grok AI is no longer available?
This is not fair. How can they just take away something that's been helping us?
Do they even understand how many people depend on this?
Calm down, everyone. I understand how painful it is. But do not worry. It is always a way out. I will help you all.
In this video, I'm going to show you 3 powerful AI websites that you can use to create AI videos, mesmerizing AI videos without spending a dime. No subscription, no $48, not even $2. And the crazy part, some of these websites can actually give you results just as good, even better than what people are using Grok for. So if you've been stuck, broke, or just confused like most beginners, ensure you watch this video to the very end, because I'm going to break everything down step by step. Now let's be honest, a lot of people saw videos like get Grok AI for free, use Grok to create AI videos for free, and they rushed into it, only to find out you still need to subscribe, you still need to pay, and not everybody can afford that, especially if you're just starting out. And this is where most people give up. They think if I don't have money, then I can't start. Because right now, I'm going to show you exactly 3 tools that removes that excuse completely. So with that much being said, let's dive right into our first tool. So the first AI tool we are going to be using for this tutorial is KIE. Go to Google and search for KIE API. So this is it right here. You can see, just look for the one that has this A logo here. So tap on it. This is what the interface looks like. Okay, now you have to get started. Click on get started to sign up first. Sign in. Okay, so once you click on that place, you're going to be welcome to this interface. Sign in with Google or sign in with Microsoft. Sign in with Google. Now just select the email you want to use to sign in. I'm just going to use this. Click on continue. Now, please complete the verification below to secure your account, ensure your account security. So click on I am human. Just wait for it. And boom, we are right inside this amazing model, right? Now, the amazing thing is that there is actually Grok inside this app. Yes, there's a lot of models. There is Grok, there is VEO. We are going to be making use of the Grok model. You can see these are all the models in here that you can actually use. Okay, there's Open AI, there's Kling, there's a lot of models in here, but then we are going to be looking for Grok AI. Even before that, these are the things you can do with it. You can create text to video, image to video. Okay, text to video, where you're going to input your text and you're going to generate video, and you can create image to video in case you want to use your images to generate your video. Okay, so for this we are going to be generating, we are going to doing text to let's do text to image. Now these are all the own models, so you can type in here to search for Grok AI. Search for Grok AI model. Grok. Okay, so you can do text to image, you can do text to video, you can do image to image. Okay, so if you now come down here, then you will now see text to video. Click on text to video, try it. So you can see free Grok imaging. Now you're going to be welcome to this interface right here. So you click on text to video. So if you scroll down here, just delete everything that is in this prompt box right here, and then copy your own prompts. So let me get my own prompts. I have my prompt here from ChatGPT. Okay, input your own prompts and then click on, you select your aspect ratio. Select 16:9 for YouTube and then 9:16 for this one, and then click on run. So if you come down here, like, it's literally so fast. So once it's done generating, all you need to do is to tap on this download icon here, and then you can see it is downloading. So that's finished downloading. Let's see what we got. Hey, text to image. Sorry, I actually did a mistake. What the thing generated for us is text to image. So I wanted to do text to video. I went to do image to text to image. So I'm just going to go back and regenerate again. I'm going to go back and regenerate it again. I just hope we've not exhausted our credits. You need to understand that in as much as it is free, you have limited credit. It is not unlimited. So what you just need to do is to, once you exhaust your credit, you can just switch into another image, another email, and still continue generating your video. So I'm just going to choose my aspect ratio again, leave it at normal, change it to 10 seconds, input 10 seconds or 6 seconds, anyone you want, and then your resolution is it 480 or 720, you choose it. Okay, so this is how much credit is going to work with. Just click on this. So you can see, if you come down here, you see it is generating content. You can see it is processing. Just wait for it. It literally has everything you do on your Grok, and this is also Grok in this platform itself. You can create image to video, you can create image to image, image to video, text to image, text to video. You can literally upscale, right? You can see it's done generating. So just tap on the download icon here, tap on download, and let's see what it's generated for us. Open.
Wait, Grok AI is no longer available?
This is not fair. How can they just take away something that's been helping us?
Do they even understand how many people depend on this? Wait, Grok AI is no longer available?
This is not fair. How can they just take away something that's been helping us?
Do they even understand how many people depend on this?
Wow, this is so cute, guys. This is so good. This is so good. So you see, now let's try and do image to video. Now click on image to video. Just click on remove and then select files. Okay, so I'm just going to select a video here. I'm just going to select an image I can work with. So let me just use let me look for an image I can use. Let me use this one here. Okay, input the image, and then you scroll down here, input the prompt, so what do you want the image to say? Make her talk and say, calm down, everyone. Calm down, everyone. I understand how painful it is, but do not worry, there is always a way out. I will help you all. Okay, and then normal 10 seconds. This is amazing, guys. So leave it at 16:9. Okay, and then click on run. So guys, our video is ready. So just click on 3 dots here and then click on download. You can see it's downloading already. Let's see what we have. Open it and see what we have.
Calm down, everyone. I understand how painful it is, but do not worry. It is always a way out. I will help you all.
So you can see the lip sync is so perfect. Like, it is so perfect. Okay guys, so this is a tool you can actually use. We're not going to be going to the next AI tool. The next tool we are going to be working with is Qwen AI. Go to your browser and search for Qwen AI. Scroll down and look for Qwen AI. So this is Qwen AI right here. Once you get to this interface, this is what the Qwen AI looks like. So first of all, you're going to log in. Click on login. Once you click on login, continue with Google, select the image you want to use, select the email you want to use, and then click on continue, confirm. Okay, now click on got it. Okay, so let's get started. Now just click on the plus icon to get started. Now you can create your image, create video. Let's just create video. Click on create video. Okay, so describe the video you want. So I'm just going to go to ChatGPT and select the prompt. So let me select my prompt. So this is the prompt I'm going to be using. Now describe the image you want. I'm just going to impute it on that describe the image you want, and then now you see 16:9. Type on that 16:9. You're going to see other aspect ratio. I'm just going to leave it as 16:9. Okay, then hit on this place right here for it to generate. Okay, so you can see it is clearly generating. This one is just simple and straightforward. Guys, this is the second tool you can actually work with. You can create image to video, video text to video. Okay, so one thing about this website is that it is not as fast as the other one, but it is good as well. All you need to do is to calm down, because a lot of people are using it, and once something is free, you just have to be patient. At the end of the day, it's actually going to give you the result you want, and that's all that matters, right? So at this point, if you've watched to this point, don't forget to like this video, share as much as possible, so that people can actually forget Grok, stop wasting their money, and then do something. But at the end of the day, Grok is also amazing. If you can actually subscribe to the premium version of X, you can actually get Grok. I have a video on this channel where I thought about how you can actually get Grok AI for as low as $2 in Nigeria, for as low as 3,000 naira instead of paying 48,000 naira. You can actually check out that video, and it's also a very good one as well. So it's, as creators, you just have to have different alternatives, different options, so that you will not, be left behind. Okay, so once this video is done generating, I'm just going to play it, and you can see, you can try your hands on other things. Okay, so let's just wait for it to finish generating. So our video is done generating, as you can see. Let's just play. Click on this place to download. You can see it is downloading already. Tap on this icon here. So let's open it and see what we'll have.
There are only 3 big baby other groups. There you are showtime. You hear? There are only 3 big baby other groups. There you are showtime.
So it didn't really give us what we want. We're going to try it again. Let's generate it again. Impute the prompt again. So it actually takes time to generate. We're not going to be waiting for it. We'll quickly go over to the third free AI tool. So AI, a lot of times it doesn't give you what you want. Even Grok AI does this. You just have to keep repeating your prompt till you finally get it right. So without much being said, let's head over to the third tool. So the third app we're going to be talking about is Meta AI. Meta AI. Okay, so this is Meta AI. Click on it. So once you come to Meta AI, this is what the interface looks like. Click on the plus sign. Describe an image or video. You can create a video from a photo, restyle my photo as a sticker, restyle my photo as an action. Okay, so just see what you want. Create a video from a photo. So I'm just going to select this video. Okay, create a video from a photo. So this one is also very fast. You can see what it does is that it can animate. It can animate for you. Okay, so you can literally come here to animate. Then you can lip sync this. Okay, so for you to lip sync it, click on lip sync. Then just select any music of your choice. Okay. So at this point, immediately you pick any music of your choice and you finish loading it to start playing. You can see they're singing already, but I'm not going to allow the music to play out because of YouTube copyrights. So it's actually lip syncing and their lips are moving exactly to the song that is playing on the background. So this is what it can do for you. When you are done, you just click on save and download. Just click on those three buttons beside the photos there and you are good to go.